This video is all about creating loose botanical art featuring daisies, which are in the hedgerows around my home in Cheshire. So first I took a piece of watercolour paper and some masking fluid, and I painted a daisy with this masking fluid and printed it on the paper so that I could then paint around that masking fluid, and when I lifted the masking fluid I'd have the shape of the daisy on the paper. That didn't work too well for me because I think the masking fluid must have been a bit old. It didn't lift properly, so I got blue daisies on my paper. So as well as painting around in soft greens and the centres in yellows, I then used a dark green, placed a daisy on the paper and used the daisy as a stencil, painting over and around it to create the shape of the daisy on the paper. And that was great fun and worked quite well, I think. Then after that, I used various colours of acrylic paint pen in gold and yellow and white. So here I'm doing the centres of the flowers in yellow acrylic paint pen, and then I swap to white acrylic paint pen to draw the petals in. First I used a rather frayed white acrylic paint pen just to give the shape and the essence of them, and then I used a sharper paint pen to put in highlights on the petals where the sun would catch each petal and it would look sharpest. I then used a gold pen around the edge of the centre button of the flower to give it a bit more of a dome shape, and swapped then to a darker gold acrylic paint pen to accentuate that even more. And then I flicked the nib of the paint pen to create the edges of the petals on my daisy. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you enjoy your art, and maybe that this inspires you to have a go at painting daisies. Bye for now.